Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding be fearless man means to be intelligent. Like being a fearless man, it does not means that you are like crazy. It's not just physical fearlessness, but the mental fearlessness also. And you're mentally free and mentally fearless. It means you are intelligent, you are conscious and aware, you are in the moment, you are not distracted, but you see the reality and you are aware, conscious, energetic, and you can solve any problem. Being a man of integrity and being a man of words, physically also being strong and mentally also being strong, strongness of both levels, that is being a fearless man. So, how to be a fearless man? To be strong physically and mentally, to be intelligent so that you can understand it, and like it's a role, you play a role, you play many different roles. So, when you see this body is playing role, many different roles, then this body will only play role. You are not feared of, because if you understand your true nature, then fearlessness is the basic outcome. Because when you see that you are not this body, but yeah, this body is there, which is a great instrument, great tool, one of the most advanced, like great potential is in it. It's a result of evolution, so much information, and so it can be used, which is physiologically most evolved on this planet. And sometimes when fear thoughts come, because fear is always regarding safety and security. So when you understand that safety and security cannot come with fear, because if you are fear, it doesn't matter. Like if you are sometimes being fear and you are making stories in your head, that is not going to make difference. What is right now? If you accept right now, see that only thing which you have is right now, and you cannot go back in time, you cannot go in future in time, you can do it right now. So you will do whatever you can do, but you will do it right now. You will not get lost in your mental prison, and you will not be influenced by any person. You will live in right now and see what can be done, free from everyone, not being feared of anyone. Yeah, you will be intelligent. This does not mean that being fearless is doing crazy things. It means intelligent, what outcomes it will produce. And when you are playing a role, like you are playing, you are doing some work. So if you are doing like a work on science, then you are playing a role of scientist. You are completely involved as a scientist, that how you can go and how you can think in depth of that, contemplate to the deeper level. If you are in a relationship, then you are totally playing a role as a relationship, the best of that. That how best you can understand the mind of the other person, that what will be going in the mind of other person. Because if you can understand the mind of the other person, you can play that role as best. So that is means being fearless means to be intelligent, to understand everything as it is, and to understand like what will happen after that also. And depending on your own self, because no one can make you intelligent. You can take knowledge from others, but intelligence is self. So when you understand this, that you are not dependent on anyone, everything is inside you only. No one can help you. You have to find your own potential, your own path you have to make. When you see this and you have clarity what you need to do, then every moment you will play as an integral man, as a fearless man, and with intelligence you will learn and never be a feared man, because nothing is going to be. Yeah, sometimes you have to be patient. Patience is also important. Sometimes you need not to do anything, but that does not mean that getting lost in your own, making your own stories in mind, but seeing that means intelligence, that means being fearless. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching the video.